Here's a REVVL 6 Pro. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing, go ahead and turn it on. Press and hold that power button until it starts up. Once it's booted up, you should be at a welcome screen here. And from here, you want to choose your language. I'm good with English in the United States, so I will tap on Start. Connect to mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert it now. I'm not going to insert my SIM card now. What I'll do is, after setup is complete, then I'll make another video to install the SIM card. Okay, so for this part, I'm just going to skip for myself. Go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. So let me tap on my Wi-Fi. Let me enter my password now. After you put in the password, you want to tap on the check mark down there. Obtaining IP address. Now it said connected to internet. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Now it says here, copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more from a different iPhone or an Android phone. So if you want to do that, just tap on next here. And it says use your old device. You will need an old Android or iPhone. That goes for Android phones, tablets, iPhone, iPad. Turn it on and keep it unlocked and next to here. Okay, but for myself, I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm going to go back here to copy apps and data, and I'm going to click on don't copy for myself. Here's your Google sign-in, basically your Gmail. You can go ahead and sign in now, create an account, or you can skip it and sign in later if you wish, or never sign in. For myself, I'll skip and I'll just sign in later. Google services, go ahead and read through these. Use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? But for myself, I'm fine with all these toggled on, just my preference, and I will tap accept. Now it's asking us to set a PIN password. You can skip this and do it later, but I advise do it now. So let me go ahead and choose a quick 4-digit PIN here. I just put my 4 digits in there. I'm gonna tap on next. Going to input it one more time to confirm. All right, I just entered it for a second time. I will tap on confirm right there. Set up your fingerprint password, okay? So you can slide all the way down. You can go no thanks, and you can do it later if you wish, or you can do it now. I'm going to do mine now, so I agree. Now the touch sensor is right there. It's the power button right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put my finger on there. Off and on, vibrate it, vibrate, vibrate. Just keep moving your finger all different angles and just keep going until that circle is all the way with the blue there. Okay, there we go. So I got one finger on there. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add another finger, or you can always just click on next, and you can add a different finger later if you wish as well, okay? Voila, looks like we are in business. Now for the next video, look in the link below if you want to know how to insert the SIM card.